it in case
Why? Where are we going?
the burger.
Ano?
The burger.
I'm excited.
Ayaw mo kumain?
Yep.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I sleep well.
No. We're not team tulog. We're not tulog.
Well,
Ikaw
because
lang natulog sa pamilyang to.
because I heard because I heard the
Boy
sound.
puyat.
Grabe to. Ano to?
Because
Or you did not sleep. You didn't know that? We did not sleep because we pack our gamit. Hey, go you sleep or no? Or you help us.
Yeah.
sorry about that. But
It's okay.
on the next vacation, can I help and before I sleep, please, I want
Papa no.
Boracay.
Boracay. We're not going to Boracay.
Hindi, sa t-shirt mo.
Huwag ka masyadong ano.
Are you excited, Yow? Are you excited, Yow? Walang tulog, boy. Let's go. Puerto Galera. Are you excited?
Yeah, I did.
Wow, tulog ka kami, hindi.
But tulugan kami kasi and when I heard the talk, if I heard someone know you and Nana's voice, I start to follow you
Galit ka pa nga sa amin eh.
because I start to follow the voice
Puerto
and
Galera.
I'll call you.
Are you ready, Oyo? Wow. Ready? Wow. Hindi halatang walang tulog, boy, ah. Are you ready, Bella?
Yeah, I tulog.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Sarah. We're here at the bus. Papunta na kaming Batangas Grand Terminal Port. Batangas Port. Hi. Time check. Ito na yung oras. 6 na. It's 5:43. Right, Ariel? Tulog ang bata. Hindi kasi natulog ng gabi. So ngayon, nandito na kami sa pasok na dato ng Flex. Stop over. Gusto mo buko pie?
I'm so excited.
Gusto mo buko pie?
Ikaw gusto mo?
Hindi.
I'm so excited to go to the bar.
Gusto mo?
Hindi.
Gusto mo?
Hey, what's that?
Camera.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that inside the bus?
That's fake makeup.
gas. Nakarating din sa port. Sabi ko 3 oras pa rin, no? Ang dami tamboy. Move kayo sa side. Kinakain niyo yung buong lane. Sandy, dito ka na lang. Hawak ka dun sa maleta. Hawak ka dito. No, here on the other side. Yan. Hawak ka dun. Yan ka. Let's go. Thanks for. We're inside the port. Ayaw. What's that, Ariel? Coke? Ticket and boot. Alright. We're inside the port. Merienda time. Alas 10 pa yun. Sakay namin sa barko. Meron pa kaming 30 minutes. Ay, 15 minutes na lang. Let's go! Go, Mario! Hey, come on, faster!
Faster, yes.
You skip jumping pa. Oh, look at the sea. Boarding time. Boarding time. We're here on the left, Bella. Paano malalaman? Binigay ba sa yung ticket?
Hindi kasi doon sa ko.
Santi, faster. Ay, naku, we're gonna leave here na. Oh, dito na lang para makakakita na. Tabi-tabi na lang tayo dito. Here na lang, Bella. Whoa, look! There's the ocean! Whoa! Oh, nice. Whoa. What's that? It's the ocean. Ooh, there's a sea. There's a sea turtle. Right, Ariel?
Tatay. Daddy.
Tungo pa, balaw pa. No, we gotta stay here. You sit down na, no, sa gitna. You don't want to sit, you don't want to hear? It's funny here, you can see the sea. Dito na lang tayo. Doon na sa may ano, sa may port kasi may pangalan doon. Saka mainit
Pero
dito.
tayo pag dito nun, ipagbaba natin.
Oh, doon sa gilid, lumilid ka. Sunday, go.
Ah, game, game.
Sunday, picture daw.
Game, game. 1, 2, 3.
Go, go, go. Oh, look, the ship is moving all. Oh, welcome to Puerto Galera. I'm a tourist. Sunday, look. What? Ay, bawal lang.
Okay. Boat!
Go, 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 go.
Yes, a boat.
A boat. Boat. Dala. Ay, excited pala.
Game, game.
Doon ang entrance. Tara, dito. Sandy.
Dito.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Hindi, video to. Sige lang.
Ay, aray ko po.
Mag-video ka lang.
Wait lang. Ayan, dito kayo sa gitna.
Sunday. Selfie.
Selfie. 1, 2, 3.
Sunday is not so hot.
Hey, no. Ay, putik video.
Ayan.
Ulit. Game, game, game. One more. Hey. Picture mo na.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Oh, may sasakyan. Puerto Galera. Dito, di dyan.
But a gun. But a gun.
Oo, saan nakarating? 11:30. Uy, dito!
Bali, nagtatrap na po ako doon. Nagtatrap po doon.
Ano?
Nagtatrap na po ako doon.
Hindi. Kasi nakalagay dito may island hopping.
Oo, sa likod po.
Kaya ako Kaya ako nagtanong. Grabe ka naman ulit. Pero may idea kayo sa rate?
Opo. Ano yun? Big boat yun eh. 1.8 po yun.
180 isang tao o yung buong boat na?
Kahit kato po. Ang biyahe po yun. Pag sa maliit na bangka, tatlo na po capacity nun.
Ah, so dapat. Pero kami hindi kami kaya sa small boat.
Pwede na po siguro. 400 per head po yun. Wala po tayo naman.
400 per day.
So, we're here. Dito na kami sa Badlands. And ito ang bubungad sa yung sa loob. Hello.
Kasi bago dito, no?
Swimming pool yung beach. Mas may swimming pool sila. Medyo malayo siya sa White Beach. Ayan. 350 simula rito kung tricycle ka. Mula rito hanggang White Beach 350 masisingirin sa'yo ng tricycle. Now why? Medyo maalon lang dito sa Badlands and hindi ganun kalinis yung tubig and malayo yung sand dun sa mismong white sand, medyo may bato siya tsaka brown. Picture lang ba pero wala ibang tao so, tapos meron silang pool, may resto, sariling resto.
it's dirty. There's woods. Whoa, bubbles. Huwag mo nang basahin pa mo. You already wash your feet, diba? Diba? Oh. Oh, let's try to walk there on the other side. Tara. Bye. Sorry, tara. Oh no, you don't want to walk to the other side? Huh? Pag here na sa heart namin from Bad Lads. Look out. Double the pakana. Look at the picture. Man. Yun lang. Swimming time. Swimming na Sunday. Sobrang init. Kaya sobrang layo din sa swimming pool. Sabi ka, there's a car. Oh, be careful, there's a dog. Lakad malala. Lakad malala. Right Sunday.
Right. But we're gonna eat muna.
Hmm?
We're gonna eat muna.
Okay, let's eat and then you go swim. Where are you gonna swim? To the swimming pool or sa dagat?
Sa beach.
Sa beach. Ayaw mo sa swimming pool?
Bukas ang swimming pool. Ako sa swimming pool. Ang swimming pool.
Ah, ingat. Grabe.
I remember I'm gonna use those flowers for them. I'm gonna use those flowers.
What?
I'm gonna use the flowers. That's the leaf for the dance party. So I can.
Budol. Dapat budol. Budol lads. Budol lads dapat eh. Ang layo. Easy. Ito, motorbike ko kahit. Kaso hindi ka yung driver. Hey, what's that, Bella?
Cocktail.
Huh?
Cocktail.
Huh?
Cocktail.
Cocktail?
Hindi yan cocktail. Cocktail is an alcoholic drink. That's buko.
Sabi ko yan, fresh buko. You have to drink that, huh?
Pauso ka. Ano? Ba't nagka-cringe ka dyan? Ano ka ngayon?
I don't alcohol.
Ano? Ano?
I don't like it.
Mukha mo, ano, I don't like it. Tapusin mo yan.
You said you're gonna ubus that or else I'm gonna throw you to the beach, diba? Is it delicious? Ikaw, ba't kayo naantok, boy? Kayo naantok, Ariel. Hindi ka kasi natulog eh. Kasalanan mo yan eh. Pinapatulog ka na kaninang madaling araw. Hindi ka natulog. Ay, nako. Ikaw, ubusin mo yan. Ang laki-laki niya, no? Bella. Ubusin mo yan, Sunday.
But I can't open it because I can.
Sabi mo, you can drink that.
I can bring the if it's small.
Paayos mo, hawak mo sa bus.
Ayan, it's recording.
Hey guys, today in this video since highlighting and sign up. And I got like
Oreo, huwag yan. It's not real. Oreo, no. Ay, nako.
No, I'm not gonna scare you. I'm not gonna scare you. Come on. I'm not gonna say this. No, no, no. Come back here. Balik, sige na, ayoko na tinawa makikita mo lang. Yo 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 yo.
set. What? 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 Ryan! Ha? Dito po ako ngayon sa Puerto Galera.
Tiga mo isa. Tiga mo isa.
Pataas! Ang lakas! Ang lakas nun!
Kami ni Sandy kanina. Yung dalawa lang kami. Sabi niya, wait! Gumagin siya sa dagat. Wait! Wait!
Wait daw, kala mo antayin siya ng wave eh.
Nervyoso masyado.
Sorry. Nande, come here.
Yung panty din mamaya puro buhang.
Oo. Pero buhangin dito, buhangin naman yung ilalim, brown lang. Sa kabila naman kasi mabato yung buhangin. Mabato yung tubig ilalim.
Kaya siya kaya maitim yung tubig. Kasi brown yung buhang.
Oo. Bukas doon naman tayo sa ano.
Sa White Beach.
Oo, buong araw tayo doon.
Buong araw as in tanghali pa lang.
Pagising natin siya, may matanghali tayo magigising nito. Lalo na si Oro. Okay there?
Mamaya yung buhangin.
Yeah, you're pwit so much buhangin mamaya. Wash your body. Come here. Wash your body. You have to come here. Arya, run! Run! Arya, run! Come here! Lakas ng wave. Yo! Lakas ng wave dito. Pero di ganun kalinis yung tubig. Like sa White Beach. Pero walang tao. Panis. Panis. Oh, your feet. What happened to your feet, Aryo? Oh no. Happy birthday, Sunday. What? Why are you have two eyeglasses? You have pink and clear.
So
That's silly. You're wearing two eyeglasses.
yeah, I'm gonna remove the paint. I'm gonna remove this one if we're out.
Happy birthday. And now you're 8 years old.
Yeah. Now my favorite character is 8.
Yeah.
I
Ayan, punta kami ngayon sa White Beach. Mag-tricycle kami so wala rito hanggang doon. Nagtanong kami sa tricycle driver kahapon na naghatid sa amin dito. Ang sabi, 350 simula rito hanggang White Beach. 350. Ganun kalayo, ganun siya kalayo at ganun kamahal yung pamasahe. From here papunta doon. Yun, ang mahal. Sobrang hassle. Tsaka wala masyadong tindahan dito. Dito sa part ng Badlands. Talagang no choice ka. Sa kanila ka lang bibili ng pagkain. And like sa White Beach na sobrang daming pagkain, daming choices, daming restaurant, daming makakainin. Dito kasi wala. Sila lang yung may restaurant. May mga tindahan, sari-sari store. Pwede ka bumili ng mga pwede mong iluto. Kasi may kitchen naman. Pwede ka magluto, may kitchen. Yeah. Kahit kagabi, bigla kami nagutom. Nagsaing kami, tapos nagluto kami ng itlog.
Pagkain eh.
Tsaka yung tira naming lunch na binili namin doon. Medyo price. Masarap ng pagkain dito sa Badlands. Medyo pricey lang. Kasi yung fried chicken nila around 340. Yung tinola 360. Tapos hindi gano'ng kalaki naman. So siguro good for 2. Pwede na rin. Pero may mahal eh. Mas maraming options kasi kapag sa White Beach. Kaya ngayon doon kami pupunta to celebrate Sunday's birthday. Diba? So kaya tinanghali na kami ng gising. It's already 12 noon. Binalik lang ni Claude yung towel. Excuse. And then bibili akong tubig. Yun, wala rin silang tubig dito. Bibili mo pa sa labas. Yun. And may TV naman. Though hindi lang smart. Let's go. Happy birthday, Sunday. Happy birthday.
Salamat.
Where are we going? To the White Beach. We're going to the White Beach. I'll try this again.
Ayun, look.
Oh, yun po eh. Oh, happy birthday. Dahil sa lamin. You have 4 eyes.
No.
Oh, the beach, look.
Pacific Divers. Dito na tayo. Oh, we're here. Ah, sige. Oh, alam ko to. Oh, okay, alam mo na namin to. Sige.
Alam na namin ito.
Kasi last year, nakaraan dito rin kami sa kabila lang, sa Heritage. Doon kami sige kuya, salamat ah.
Dito lang po tayo.
Dito na lang. Sige. Thank you. Sige.
Ingat, drive safely.
Let's go. Come on, let's find food muna. Oo, di ba? Oh, look oh. It's so hot. Ganito rin yung init ng nakaraan eh. Grabe. Sabi ko shade ko, gusto mo muli ng shade kuya.
Ma'am, sunglass ma'am.
Ayan yung meron oh. Kaso tinan mo, maliit din kasi. Pero gusto mo itanong, 10 liters, yung orange.
Excuse mo, magkano po sa ganito?
250 po ito. Magkano ang hacks?
Magka-
100. Ano sa second?
Okay.
Mamaya na, kain mo tayo. Ay, hindi po.
Po, thank you.
Mamaya kain na muna tayo.
Kain muna tayo.
Tara.
Let's eat muna. Thank you po.
Ano, bibili ka pa? Dito tayo kumain ulit. Doon na sa green. Karero nga lang. Oo, di ba? Yung rider nga. Eh,
Oh,
dito na lang sa green ah.
You've been crying here.
Mas nakakamiss dito kaysa sa kabila. Ano ka kami pagpakain? Oh, look. Sunday. Sunday. Sunday, come on. Look at the castle. Susan Castle.
Mamaya, let's go there sa San
Oh, look at the
Castle.
Susan Castle. Can you make that?
Uy,
No.
look, it's your birthday, oh.
Wow.
Oh.
April 21, di ba?
April 20.
Yeah. This is not.
Can you make that Susan Castle too?
No, I don't know how to make Santa.
Mo hindi kaya siguro.
Nanay, I can make Santa play.
Oo.
Nanay.
White Beach. Pogi mo ba yan? Pogi mo yun. Stop playing that issue. Ito mo natin. Happy birthday, girl. Hey, happy birthday, girl.
Thanks.
Lunchtime. Mainit pa rin, as always. Pero mas maganda rito kasi marami kang option eh.
Kaya nga. Next time talaga din na tayo.
That's it na. Look at your food. Oh, nagkari-kari.
Alisin mo yung cups yan.
So what is the food?
Sinigang. Sinigang na hipon. Sinigang na hipon. Puro. Hey! Happy birthday!
Thanks. Thanks.
Oh, just stop playing na. Come on.
Birthday!
Oh yeah, I found it.
This is gonna be your handa. Oh, see?
Kantahan na natin siya ng happy birthday. Malamang kanina ko nag-aantay na.
You wanna sing happy
Let's sing.
birthday?
Bigyan mo yung kanin yun, i-blow niya. Blow the kanin, ha?
Blow the kanin.
Oo, then i-blow the kanin.
Sunday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sunday. Blow the kanin. Happy birthday.
Alright, let's eat. Are you hungry? O, tanggalin mo na yung ano yan. Remove the tissue.
Oh, ayaw, kangkong. Half lang, baka hindi pa maubos ni Ori. Siboy kalamansi.
Careful ah. Oh, that's silly. Can you eat silly?
Ang sarap.
Kare-kare. Sarap. Hindi masarap yung sabaw ng kare-kare.
Ha?
Hindi masarap yung sabaw ng kare-kare. Yung sauce. Wala siyang peanut butter.
Meron.
Meron ba? Hindi ko nalasahan. Kung matabang palasa. Masarap. Pero masarap kasi pag nahaluan mo siya ng alamang.
Masarap na. Siguro matindi si Puno mo.
Can I eat ice cream because my nickname word Sunday is the ice cream.
Kaya tadi gaming.
Hindi kaya gutom tong isa?
Ito yan.
Ayaw talaga, oh.
Lagay yung salamin. Lagay yung salamin. Wow. Pogi mo ba yan? Parang ba may birthday ba yan? Sumot. Taog kay Sunday. Are you busog? Yummy? Yummy. Wow. Oreo. What's that?
Sige po, okay na kayo. Sige, para bukas, hindi pa rin siya mukhang lokal.
Init, grabe.
Madam, your break!
ng mga tao ngayon. Malinis na white beach ng Puerto Galera. Pero sobrang init.
Isang bata may nasa kuwan.
Oo, isang bola. Niwanan ng nanay.
It's okay, it's okay. Wait lang anak, tapos it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Sana lang. You're brave, you're brave. Di ba brave ka? Oh.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Where beach do you like? Beach here or beach on our hotel? Huh?
The beach in our hotel is calm and the other one.
No, this is
This is more calm. Tsaka it's clear, oh. See, you can see the stone under.
I like the one in our hotel. Because
You don't like here?
I like it here sometimes.
Oh no, what do you like? Here or sa hotel natin? Buti malamig yung tubig. Wow.
yung batang nandito kanina, birthday niya.
Tinanira ng ano? Anak nila yun eh. Tinanira nila, yung babae. Tinanira ng sandkasin.
Alam nila yun?
Oo, babae.
Yung birthday niya rin. Tapos pangalan niya si Rojun.
Rojun? Ay, yung lalaki may birthday.
Sabi niya, ang ginagawa niyo dito? Ako rin, nagpunta kami dito kasi birthday ko. Tapos sabi ni Sandy, ako din birthday ko. Weh, April 21? April 21.
English?
Siyempre, ayoko lang mag-English.
Hindi, nagkaintindihan kasi sila.
Sabi ng bata, can I play with you? Sabi ng gano'n. Go, let's go kay tatay. Come on. Mas maganda dito.
You gonna dive?
No.
Go! So I guess you want to. See? The camera can go under the water.
Shark.
No? Buti naman yung tubig kahit sobrang init. Sarap pala ito. Mas kalmado yung tubig dito kaysa dun sa Badlands. Mas kalmado, mas malinaw. Ang galing. What? Pag nandito pala, hindi pala ganun ka-update yung balat ng init ng araw. Kasi malamig yung tubig. Kaya nga. Sa tubig dito, kung sa akin. Ano ba yan? Wrong turn ko lang, Badlands.
Mama, don't go to the deepest. Don't go.
Laging madilim talaga sa part ng bundok na yun. Ano yung windmill oh?
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko pala alam na may windmill dito. Kaso lang, sarado nga yan, hindi nagpapapasok. May napanood kasi kung umakyat siya dyan. Nag-arkila siya ng motor dito. Tapos inikot niya itong Mindoro. Mindoro. Kasi abutin ko ng isang araw. para makakaikot mo siya. Wala yung dito. Pwede siya, paupoy mo lang yan, ganyan. Hindi siya kalinaw dito.
Kaya nga. Ano ilalim?
Inuuno ko nga. Ikaw na lang. Di pa ako makagalaw ng matino. Tingnan ko lang ito. Sakay ka dyan. Ikaw na lang.
Bagong play? Tuloy.
Bagong play mo na lang.
Ang hapdi sa matay.
Pakikitutok mo na lang sa ilalim.
Ang problema ko yung alat. Parang bumal. Napindot na to? Hindi pa. Punta ako sa'yo.
Yo! Ariel, come here! Come here. I can hold you. No, sige, it's okay. I'm gonna hold you, eh. Eh? You enjoy the water here. Oh, look. Right over there. See, ano lang yun yung mga water activities. There. Mas maganda pa rin talaga rito kaysa sa Badlands. Iba yung tubig, ang linaw. Tingnan mo. Ario! Wow! O, Sunday, come here. Let's take a picture. Let's take a video. O, selfie.
We're not gonna go too far.
Selfie muna.
Where are you going?
What?
Rock.
What?
Rock. You get rock. Oh. Oh, get it. Oh, take it. Dali. Dito. Dali, go. Scared? Nakuna sa video, nalunod. Isa pa. Oo.
Malalim.
Jet ski oh. Banana boat. Ang dami nila.
Hi, can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday, Sunday. Salamat po. Salamat all yeah. Salamat all viewers. I can smell up the smell.
Ang dilim yun ah. Again?
Yeah.
Ano sabi?
Masarap kahit walang sauce.
Chokes to go. What's that
Yummy.
mean? What's that mean?
It's yummy. Kahit without sauce. So what's kahit in English?
Even if. Even if
Even if
don't
don't have sauce. Sarap.
Oh, nightlife. Oh.
Just like last time.
Hmm?
I was just talking to myself, not you.
We're talking to yourself. Are you crazy?
No,
Hindi ko alam. Mamaya, isipin natin.
I'm not crazy, but
9?
o'clock.
Tingin mo. Para mga pagkatapos natin, lunch, dito tayo. Oh, 8 or 8:30, ganun. Hindi, go. May nanay. Ayun naman. Ayun naman.
Daan ko!
Dito ako.
Ito ako.
Dito ako! Bye-bye! I'm going back to Bananas!
Baladas. Bad lads. Bad lads.
We're going back to Bananas!
Tignan natin yung computation.
Ha? Do?
Alin?
Kuya, dito kuya, mura lang. 124 white, may pambata kami.
Bukas na. Ano yung beach please? Ayun pa rin yung disenyo ng Puerto Galera na t-shirt nila. Saan doon nila sa Sunday yun?
Oh. Same na same.
Yung purple. Ang dilim na dito. Morning. Day 3. We're here for day 3. We're going to snorkeling. Right?
You're right.
Tanghali na kami nagising. And pupunta kami ngayon sa port para mag-snorkeling. And then after, tambay ulit sa White Beach. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oreo. Chinese. Sunday. Chinese. Check our outfit. Outfit check.
Beep, beep.
So yan, naantay lang namin yung tricycle na magsusundo sa amin. Magdadasal sa Minoli Port. Basta yan. Tara. It's a floater, Bella. Dive there? Any dive?
You don't wanna try? Salamat din po. Salamat po. Ingat po kayo. Ingat tayo. Oh, God bless us.
May kuweba?
Oo, kuweba. We're gonna go to the cave.
Just gonna check out lang to naman.
We're just gonna walk lang.
Oh no. Look at the water, Bella.
Look at the forest.
Puro bato.
Look mo dati yung camera.
Pressure.
There's a lot of people naman.
So suot your slippers.
But Oral also wants to swim. But that's
Kaya nga,
okay.
you have to lock your slippers because there's rock. The rock is hurt on your feet. Diba? Sunday, you wear your shoes so you won't get hurt because it has no sand. Diba? It's rock. You lock. Sino? Sasama. Okay, it's okay. Sunday, lock mo yung shoes mo. Whoa, we're gonna climb there. Alright, Ariel. Oh! Careful, girl. Invest, dumudulas siya. Dito. Kala ko yung hagdan sa kabila. Sige. Sa bato ka tumapak. Iwasan mo yung... Careful sa step, Abela. It's madulas. Sige. Okay lang. Let's go. Ooh.
Look at that. Don't go inside the water because she asked us that the water's cold inside.
It's okay. It's hot nga rito, di ba?
Yeah, but we're going to go.
Yung hot mo na, okay na po? Ay, wait lang. Ay, pakita lang.
Watch your step, Bella. Ha?
Sige, let me go. Sige, go. Sama kay mami. Sama kay ate pala. Ako pala yung mami mo. Sige, go. Hold kay ate. It's okay.
Watch your step before you step. You pa, okay?
Good job, Ariel.
You check the floor if it's bad. Don't step fast. Don't go fast. Be careful.
Sige, go.
What are
Mommy's right next to you. Sige. Harap lang kay ate.
Are you gonna jump there?
Uy, asan yung chinelas ko? Kuya, ano na yung buhangin? Kaysa maano kayo yung mga ganito.
Dada, are you sure that we're gonna swim?
Ate, kaya mo?
Careful, ha? So, bunga mo si Sunday mo. Oh, hold ka sa bamboo. You hold on the bamboo.
Dito tayo doon.
Oh, wait, Mas Mami. Don't walk. Walk, slide. Walk on the side. Oh, so lapag mo na lang muna. Di naman lalangoy si Sunday dahil medyo malalim.
Lulubog lang po tas picture lang. At akyat lang. Uupuin na lang po siguro yung mga bata. Sige, sit down.
Sunday, there's fish.
Ay, bukas gumalang mo.
Diyan ka lang, Bella. Don't move.
Snake po!
Pero hindi ho yan, ano.
Ayoko, takot ako sa ahas. Ikaw na lang bumabata.
Hindi yan ano kawali.
Because he does. I told you he doesn't like the cave. I told you that we don't.
Ayoko, may alam mo, takot ako sa ahas.
Not safe.
Ano yun?
Bulate.
Bulate.
Doon ka na lang ako sa side. Punta ka doon sa gilid.
Dito na lang ako sa side.
Doon lang tayo.
No, it's okay.
Sige, sige. It's the guardian of this kuy.
Picture na lang po kami dito. Kasi yung tatay na lang po yung mag-i-enjoy. Okay lang ako.
I'm not enjoying because there's a snake and I was
O, kunin mo itong gusto. Kasi mo baka makaano.
Inside the cave.
Ayan, dito lang ate.
Yung sayaw. Yan, dito lang tayo. Oo na yan, babas lang. Experience.
Pa, lusog na. Ibigay mo yung cellphone mo sa kanya. Huwag mo ipano.
Nice. Hirap siya. B, wag ka pupunta rito, malalim dito. Straight mo lang tong side. Biglang may butas kasi, kaya mag-ingat kayo. Lumulutan.
Nakabidyo si Oreo?
Oh, lumulutan. Ayun o. Dalawa lang? Oo, tag-isa lang. Testing lang.
Hanggang kanina. Ari!
Uy, kuchilyo. Kinakain daw yung balat yan eh.
Hindi ko kumain ng balat.
Diyan ka lang. Oo,
Oo.
sikip lang pala. No?
Buti na lang takot ako.
Siksikan.
Oh, may suka.
Yun yung papaluto.
Solid.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ay, hindi
Oh, may
pa.
kutsara.
Yung pala yung kutsarang napulot mo.
Sabi na lang ito dito.
Ana, ay sige, wala mo lang dun. Baka malaglag, tignan mabuti.
Sige po, salamat.
Juan, papareha naman ako sa iyo.
Parang balot yung amoy ng suka.
What's the taste?
Sarap, lasang dagat.
Maalat?
Hindi.
Malansa?
Oo, kasi si
Sige.
masarap, parang talaba. Kasi lasang dagat, pagkain mo malalasaming dagat.
Nakakain ka na ng dagat.
Nalunod na ako eh. Mahal ang sarap. Bayaran na lang namin ate doon ha.
Isuka lang talaga yung gusto mo.
Hindi, masarap talaga ha.
Sea urchin.
Ma'am, salamat.
Nakakain kutsara mo. Yung balat nga, pwede mo kagatin. Crunchy
Ikaw
daw
kumagat
yun.
ng balat, sige. Ay, yung orange lang.
Ako na, bigyan mo lang. Ikukusok. Diba ko nalaman ko? Sunday! You want to try this one? It's a sea urchin.
Arap ka na dito. Inaalok mo pa, alam mo namang hindi kakain yan.
Parang kumakain ng ano? Gelatin.
Oo. Lasang dagat, di ba?
Gelatin na sea flavor.
Oo. Parang talaba. Sarap. Iniisip ko ang tawag sa kanya, uni. Oo, uni. Namatay. I'm looking. Oo, no.
Nanay, nasa lalagyan yung cellphone ka?
Higupin mo ng ganun.
Hindi na isa.
Yun. Okay na po, ate. Thank you.
Bayaran lang natin doon.
Doon na lang po namin. Come on, let's go.
Pero nanunok pa rin ganun, di ba? Delikado yun.
May personal sphere pa ako sa sa ordinaryong ahas. Tapos si snake pa yun.
Si snake, delikado yun.
Sana look at the camera. Pagbalik na,
Ma-picture tayo. Ganda na kaya. It's okay, sit down. Sit down. No, sit down na, sit down. Mario, sit down.
Babalik na ako. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na, babalik na ako. Sige, mami, welcome back.
Palitan na lang kami kuya mamaya, okay lang. Hindi na nga sila sa office. Ay, ako, Oreo. Tatalok ka pa, loko.
Halika ka, wait lang. Yo, no.
Kay mami. Go to mami.
Halika dito. Mamis na.
Sige. Ako, Oreo.
Biglang tumalon. Naka-video yun.
Oo. Naka-record na ako. Ayun na eh. Naka-record na ako.
Sige na, lubog ka na. go. Let's go.
It's mababaw.
Look at Oreo, oo. You're gonna die. Let's go. Oy!
Hawak, hawak. No, mababaw. Oh. I can reach the floor eh. I can reach the floor.
Ala, nagkasipon.
It's gonna dive. Oh, we're here. Naka-float pero kaya life vest. You have life vest. Okay. Oh, see? You're gonna float.
Oh, look, oh. Mami, sunod.
You hold here on my float. You hold there. Oh, see? Oh, see? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, we're here. We're floating.
Go back to the boat.
It's okay. Oh, what's
Look at
there?
Oreo, oh.
Oh, floating. Oh, what are you?
Oh. Here's naman, look at
Oh,
Oreo.
look at Oreo.
Oh.
Don't drink. Dito na lang.
I told you that I told you I don't like being here.
No, it's okay. Oh, you're gonna float. You have life base. I have life base. I can reach the floor. It's okay. Oh, see? Just
Tingnan mo,
enjoy.
wipe your sipon. You have sipon.
Just enjoy. Just enjoy the
Look, oh, Oreo's
After
enjoy.
this, we're going to the beach. Oh, here's our bangka. Oh, di ba?
Oh, ikot tayo, ikot. Let's go.
Wala tayong
Don't
kating eh.
ikot.
That's why the bangka is moving. That's why the bangka need to hold kay kuya. Diba? It's okay. You're gonna float. Hold on my wrist. Although I'm walking, oh. You can reach the floor.
Can you reach
Hindi.
it?
Hindi eh.
Hindi.
Lulubog.
It's
Lulubog.
sitting. It's sitting to me.
It's okay. Oh, you can hug this one, ah. Hindi, di tayo galing kanina. Di tayo bumaba.
Hindi, I mean,
Oh,
hindi tayo makakaikot.
see?
Woohoo!
Look at Oreo mo.
I
feel
feel
a
a little.
Just hug me. Oh, Sunday is scared.
Oh, look at
Oh, Oreo.
Oreo's not scared.
Yeah,
Oh,
Si Kuya.
Yung kapatid mo pa siguro.
Tatay, because my fear is trying to make me scared. That's why.
No need to
That's
scare.
why we're telling you not to be scared. Di tayo subukan natin.
I'm staying. I'm putting my.
Kaya basta may puti, mababaw.
Oh, dito na lang tayo.
O sige, dito na lang tayo.
Bata tayo mahawak.
Huwag na tayong makulit.
May bata tayong hawak.
Hindi tayo makakapag-ikot.
yung brother ko ng yung inom.
Tatay, that's Tito James, oh. That's Tito James, oh.
That's
Say
Tito
hi to your
James.
Tito.
Don't remember that.
Oh, yung vest ko.
Remember, I want to.
See? Here in the middle.
I don't want to be in the middle of the sea.
Say hi to Riley.
Hi, Riley. I'm here. I'm in the middle of the sea. I'm scared ko. Scared ko. Scared na ako.
Kayo po.
Scared na. Scared na ako.
Pwede
Ah,
tawag.
kaya JB comes.
Hindi. Hindi,
Dito,
tatay.
hawak to. Hawak dito. Hawak ka lang. It's free ka gonna float. Parang nanay kanina, just hold lang dito. Oh, di ba? It's not gonna move. Hawak ka doon.
Look, oh, Oreo's
You're gonna float because you have this. You're gonna float naman eh because you have this. Tignan mo si Loy.
Tatay, tawag me. Tawag me ka.
I'm not letting you go. You stay here lang. You hug on the
No.
Oh, yan. Oh, on the other hand. Sige. Oh,
Oh, look, oh, Oreo's Tito. Oh,
yan. Yan.
oh, look, oh.
Oh, di ba?
Oh.
Oh, I'm holding you. Oh, di ba?
Oh.
Oh, galing. Oh, swing.
Dati ko naman yung pangatin.
It's okay kasi you have this eh. That's why you're gonna float.
Oreo, oh.
Oreo's
Oreo's
swing.
so brave.
You're gonna float kasi you have this eh.
Tatay, can we go back inside the water here?
It's okay.
But I don't want to be in the middle of the sea.
We're here tier 2. O, tingnan mo. O, kuya, gaya na kalad ka dito.
Ako yung day 1. Day on the boat.
We're gonna leave you there. We're gonna leave you there.
Si Ori ang mukha ng kuko.
Kahit, you're so noisy dito sa island, oh. It's so quiet.
Let's iwan Sunday dito ah. She's so ingay.
It's so quiet dito, oh. Ikaw lang maingay.
Look at Oreo. Oreo's enjoying. Diba, kala mo dito malun sa bangka ka na.
Napatayo tuloy si kuya. You check the sand under the water. Sandy.
I don't want. But can we be back inside the boat?
Ay, naku. How about
No.
You floating nga, oh. Wow. Oh, you try to swim, try to swim, kunwari.
Oh, just pretend. Oh, diba? Look at Oreo. Oreo's
How can you learn how to swim?
Oreo's so brave.
It's okay, you have the rope naman, oh.
Why are you scared? Are you not my daughter?
It's not moving, the bangka is not moving.
No.
It's right there.
Maybe Sunday was replaced in the hospital.
No, not right. But can we go back inside the boat?
Ito mo na, anak.
Because I don't want to be in the middle of the
It's
sea.
okay.
Ano, ikaw naman dito sa anak mo. Ako naman
Sige,
dito
diyan
sa
na, diyan na. Hindi naman gumagalaw si Sandy.
Hindi, para makagalaw ka rin.
Okay lang ako. Binibidyoan ko kaya.
But Oreo so brave. Oreo so strong.
I told you that girls don't have muscle.
You have muscle.
Bye-bye.
No.
Diyan na si nanay, oh.
No, bye-bye. No, bye-bye.
Ayaw mo.
Ayaw din. Look at Ate Sandy, oh. He's holding on the target.
Sandy is just grabbing her. Anong oras na?
Grabe.
Kuya, may relo ka? Sige, yaman na
I
yun.
don't.
Nakainom ka na naman. Nalingat lang ako ng konti. Uminom ka na naman. Look at Oreo. Oreo's very
Tatay, can we go back inside the boat?
Wala na.
That's
Just a
it?
little bit more. And then we're going back na.
Please, I don't want to be in the middle of the ocean. In the sea. I don't want to be in the middle of the sea. I don't want to be in the middle of the
Hey, don't you hear? It's so
Eh,
quiet
paano
here.
Tatay, can you please hold me after?
It's okay. Look at the place. It's so quiet. Kasi ikaw, you're shouting and shouting.
Because I'm scared.
Malapit lang bahay namin. Pwede magbuli na lang sa'yo. Ay,
Tatay, can you please go dive, then go to the other side, then pick me up? Because I don't want to be in the middle of the sea.
It's okay. We're not in the middle. It's okay. You have to
But I
enjoy the
don't
moment.
like to be in the middle of the
Enjoy
sea.
the moment. No, not every day you're in the middle of the sea, di ba?
kaya nga. That's why Oreo's enjoying.
Oo nga.
Wow.
I'm not enjoying today.
Birthday din kahapon. Ano yung Sunday, birthday ko yung happy birthday.
It's
Salamat.
a birthday.
You greet him. It's his
Happy
birthday
birthday.
bukas. Happy birthday, kuya.
Hey, not that.
Lolo, parang baby. Pagod ka na?
Yeah, pagod na ako.
Hindi ikaw. Ikaw yung sagot ng sagot.
I'm papagod dyan. I'm tired of being here.
Nakababad lang naman ako.
I'm tired of being on the
Just float lang. Ang kahit naka-float ka naman.
No, I'm tired of being in the middle of the sea.
Ilang taon ka na? Bata ka pa. Bata ka.
Tignan mo, I'm floating.
Can you go to can you go here? But can you carry me?
Dito sa laliwaw. Dito sa ilalim.
Hawakan niyo po. Ako rito yung pagkain. Ito, dami.
Charge mo, madala akong power bank ko.
May dala kang ano, saksakan ko.
Oo, yung ano, yung triple way. Yung tatluan, dala ko. Sailboat. Oh, sailboat oh. Sailboat.
Yung personal na gamit yung sailboat, ano?
Look, Ario, saan eh? A pirate ship. Saan eh? Pirate ship.
Talaga na. Oo, ano eh.
See the pirate
Yung
ship.
personal. Sana hindi ka namin pinahirapan. Sana hindi ka namin pinahirapan. Oo. Grabe ang galing ang saya.
Wow, sailboat. Whoa. Cape North. Sonia. Pirate ship. Oh, yo, pirate ship. Pirate ship.
May wakeboarding sila. Ayun, may wakeboard.
Can you hear that? Hey, no. Pirate ship. Ano yun? Walang itingit. There's a cannon! Fire! There's an enemy! Fire! Fire! Oh, look. San Domingo Multiverse. Baclayan, the home of the Araya Mangyan. Tabinay, Stanley.
Dito ka.
There's a cannon. Oh.
Three, two, one, fire the canyon!
Oh, tara. No! The cannon explode! Oh. Ano pangalan ng area na to?
Mamaya. Muelos?
Well, yours.
Hindi ako sure pa. Basta muel yung doon, yung gilid. Yung umpisa. It is said
Oh, it's a
that
museum.
Puerto Galera was discovered by the Spaniards in the early 16th century.
Yeah, what it is.
Actually, Puerto Galera is Port of Galleons in Spanish.
Port of Galleon, so it's Puerto Galera.
Yeah, I used to see like.
Founded in 1574 as the capital of Mindoro, Puerto Galera is one of the oldest settlements of religious missionaries in the
Old ba
island.
nga?
Huh?
Ang old ba nga? Sunday, look, it's a jar. This is the old jar that we use in the province. Look, there's a faucet. And this is the old photos of the Puerto Galera. This is the Tamaral Falls.
Yeah, let's go Salabat.
Wow. Oh, look at the kids. They say,
Oh,
this is a
This is
traditional Mangyan dance.
Wow, that's Oreo.
That's
Let's go there. Let's go Salabat.
Mukhang kulo pa yun daw. Oh, another canyon.
Wow, so many canyons. Wow, boom.
Oh. Gumagalaw yung ano, kakatakot.
Sunday, come here, look at the
Nakatabingi. O, sadya yan.
Mukhang sadya siyang gumagalaw. Para feel mo.
Oo.
I'll see.
Look, oh. You know. It's moving, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ayun pa yung tumutunog. Pero may ibon tumutunog kanina, kakaiba. Tara, go.
Wow.
Okay. Since we're out, we can do here. Whoa, cargo.
Oh, sorry siya. Sabang Bay.
Sayang, hindi tayo nakakita kanina ng kawigan.
Oreo, boat.
Ship.
Ship. It's a pirate ship.
A baby pirate ship.
Pirate Genesis party boat. Tulong kulit na ito. Extreme bubble. Bubble boat. Extreme sports Philippines.
Look, it's Scream Bubble Ball.
It's a pirate ship.
Look.
Whoa, party ball.
This is the captain area. Captain balcony.
There's any stairs. Wala stairs.
Ah. Over here. Saan? Kita? Oo. Saan? Ayun, it's hanging. Saan tayo doon ka the bats? Ayun no. They're like a fruits. Hindi kita sa camera pero ayun no.
Yung cellphone ko kaya.
Nakalungkot na. Ayun no.
Dito ka, come here.
Do you see? That's a bat.
Ayun, no.
Father,
Ayun, no.
oh no. Father was best place to see.
Daming panili. Nakahang. Gulong, kita sa camera. Pero, yun. Oh, nakasabit sa puno. Saan? Do you see? You see the bats? They're hanging on the tree, no?
Yeah, sometimes.
You see the bats?
Yeah, I did.
Where is it?
I don't.
Ayun, no, you see them. Oh, they're hanging. Ayun, no. Ayun, no. The hanging there.
Yeah, and there's
This is a bat cave. No, you hear that? That's a bat. You know, lilipad.
and the cameras.
Siguro dito, marami dito. Siguro dito. Or you stay there.
Okay yan. Ito naman si Boy Tricycle. Bukas yung bag ha.
Wala na, may nakita rito. Ayun, nasa taas. Wala, di kita rito. Doon lang talaga. Ayun, nasa taas eh. Ayun, no, fruit bats. Iba yung kulay nila oh. Zoom in mo, maliliit lang. Di ba? Ayun, no, di ba yung orange? Saan ba yun, no? It's a fruit bat. Oh. Their color orange.
Ito.
Asan?
Ito.
Asan?
Ayun.
Ah, yun.
Mukha silang, di ko alam.
Ayun. Isang pulutong.
Oo. Come on, let's walk faster. Say hi.
Hi. I hope I will see my bestie again. Hi guys, today we're in Puerto Vallarta and we're gonna eat. And Daddy's gonna make a break. I hope I will see my bestie again. Please, everyone, leave a comment so I can know if I'm gonna see my bestie again. So, goodbye.
What's that? Hindi pa rin tapos ko. Ay, wala eh. Save na lang para... Interesting. Tulis na memory card natin.
Sunday, say hi. Ito sa camera. Pag man, bestie mo kagad hanap. Hey, look at the camera.
Race car. Race car. Check out time. Uwian na. Uwian na Bella. Say goodbye na.
Goodbye.
Uwi at time.
Hi.
After 3 days and 4 nights. 4 days? 4 days. 4 days wala and 3 nights. Then, uwian na. Oreo! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're going back home. Sunog ang mga bata.
And I'll tell you guys when my time.
Let's go. Sunday.
Hi.
Tapos na. Uwian na.
Tapos na ang ligaya.
We're in the port na agad. Hindi tayo pororo eh. No.
That's not the boat that we're gonna ride on. A smaller boat. We're not gonna ride the ship this time. It's just a regular boat, the one that we sakay when we went here. Move faster!
So meron tayong terminal.
Oo, kaya. Punta ka daw sa window page, sabihin mo ano.
Sa window 3? Paano wag walang window 3? Ah, window 3. Oh, we're on the port.
Yeah, I am.
Oyster naman, oyster. He's drinking water.
He's drinking too many times. He's gonna wee mamaya.
It's okay, Oyster wearing diaper.
Yeah, but we're gonna change his diaper.
Yeah.
Mamaya.
Ooh, I can see your Buto's nose.
Hey!
Kay tatay. O, tatay. Ayaw ibigay kay tatay.
Minum pa siya eh.
Enough na.
Kulay itim? Ano yung maya? Ay no? Kulay itim. Let's go!
Shot. Magkakasama lang tayo video.
Hi! I want to say bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, girl!
Ayaw, bye-bye.
Ayaw, bye-bye.
Ayaw magbabay.
Kasi so hot. Ang hali, okay na sana sa aircon tayo.
Ha?
Okay na yung nasa aircon tayo. Ang problema kasi parang mas nakakahilo yung aircon. Tapos masyadong maalon.
Eh kaso yung anak mo,
Mahart eh.
napaka.
Pauwi na yung bakasyonista.
Ayaw nga may fish.
Ayun no.
Sana yung anak ko, there's fish.
Bawal dyan. Baka makulit ng gwardiya. Bisa nyo. Bawal dyan. Baka masata ng gwardiya.
It's the same fish as now we found from yesterday.
Yeah.
Pauwi na yung mga artista.
Balik na sa Maynila.
Sa taas, mas bukas ba sa Monggo to? Ay, sa dulo. Ito. Hindi pala tayo dito. Hindi pala. Kala ko dito na.
Are we gonna use?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna use VIP.
Let's take a picture dito. Uy, bang papasok si Sunday. Hey Sunday, come on! Sunday, faster! Bitaw mo yung tablet! Honey's calling you! Bitaw mo yung tablet!
Happy
Happy birthday! Surprise!
Happy birthday, Sunday!
Happy birthday!
Sunday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wait! Happy birthday, Sunday! Surprise!
Surprise!
Did you are you surprised?
Were you surprised? Oh, you wish mo na.
I was
Wow!
that I was of my parents.
Good job!
Wow!
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Girl bag!
Good bag!
Girl bag! Girl bag! Happy birthday! Are you happy?